I just picked up these BF Goodrich premium beam wiper blades, and they caught my eye because I've never seen them at Costco before. I've always gotten Michelin wiper blades there. And the other thing is they're supposed to be ceramic coated. And the thing that also caught my eye is they're supposed to be resistant to ozone. And living here in Southern California, ozone is the thing that eats up the rubber faster than weather in general. So what I'm going to do is show you how to put these on. And you'll notice on this particular Honda Odyssey, I have a 26-incher and a 22-incher. And generally, the 26 will go on the driver's side. That's the bigger of the two windshield wiper blades. And the 22 will go on this side. The first thing I want to show you, and the most important thing you'll get out of this video, even if you turn it off right after I show this to you, is that you want to start by taking a towel or something soft and setting it right here. And what that does for you is when you are working on this and you accidentally let go after you've removed the wiper blade and this comes slamming down, the metal hook at the end of this will not hit your windshield and break it. The first video I ever made, I broke my windshield. It cost me a couple $100 to get it fixed. So do that first. If you don't have a towel, you can take your empty box and set it here. It will act the same way. Now, when you open your box, this particular kit includes two adapters, and it's really important to know that the hook type of wiper blade, the adapter unlock 10 is already installed in the wiper when you get it. A lot of people get faked out because this adapter goes to a different type of windshield wiper blade, and it's also included in the box. And a lot of times this falls out of the box and people say, what am I supposed to do with this? I don't know what to do with it. You recycle it, get rid of it. You don't need it if this one works for you. This will probably be the only place that will give you issues. When you have the new wiper blade in your hand, you'll notice right here, you can see something that looks like an on switch to an electronic piece of equipment. If you take your finger, index finger and thumb, and pinch it on both sides, pinch it in real good, then you can lift this up. And when you lift, you can see I'm struggling with it, but there it pops loose. So take a look. I pushed this little button here on both sides, and it was attached into these little brackets here, and it released and came up. And then we're looking for this little area right here that's kind of a shiny cylinder, because that's what the J-hook's going to stick to. So now let's go back to the car and see what we can do. The first step is we need to take the old wiper blade off. And this is the hardest part because these things are made to stay on when you're hitting 70, 80 mile an hour winds. So the trick is, you know, it's kind of cemented on there from the weather. So you need to just kind of wiggle it around. This one has a release button right here, and I can open that and pull. And then what you want to do, at least you want to think you want to do, is start pulling this way, and that's wrong. You want to push in the opposite direction. You can see when I do that, this slips out, and that right there, I don't know if you can see it very well, but it looks like the letter J, and that's the classic J hook. And this one now has been removed. Maybe you can see this better at this angle, but there's the J hook. This is the most common and easiest type of wiper blade installation to deal with, and that's all we're dealing with in this particular video. You'll notice on both sides of this blade there's a blue piece of plastic here, and it has an arrow on it, and you just take these off. These are for packaging purposes to keep the blade from getting crushed. After we've done that, we'll take a look again at that little cylinder in here you saw before, and you simply take and lift this up, drop this in so you can move this way and the cylinder will catch it. You hear that snap? And then you go like this, snap it down, and you're in business. That's all there is to it.